Hi guys. Okay, so today in physics we learned about the flow of electricity and how, like, if you attach a battery to a light bulb with some wires, the electrons will flow through the wire to the light bulb and then back to the battery, and that's how the light bulb lights up. Well, what we learned is that when electricity was originally discovered, they didn't know about how electrons were flowing to make the electricity work, and so I believe it was Benjamin Franklin, but that might not be right. He was the person who said it was either the positives and the negatives that were flowing through. So he took a chance and said it was the positives, and said that they flow out of the positive end and they are attracted to the negative side, so they flow through the wire into the negative side. He was incorrect, and therefore, because what actually happens is that electrons are flowing, so it's going from the negative around to the positive, and so in a lot of textbooks and stuff, it was written incorrectly by the time they finally figured out that the thing that was flowing was electrons. So what they decided to do was give it the symbol I and call it, sorry, I'm reading off notes, conventional current flow, which flows from positive to negative. It just makes it simpler than having to fix textbooks and stuff, but technically the flow is going from negative to positive. So they just kept it like that, and it has like a separate name so that people know it's just the way it's drawn, not what's really happening. And also, it doesn't affect the system at all. Like, if you put a switch before or after the light bulb, it doesn't matter which way the current's flowing, because it's not like a hose. Because water flows only on a push. Like, the water flows, and if you were to cut the hose anywhere, the water would still flow out of where you cut the hose. But electricity isn't like that. It's a push and a pull. It's as if the wire has electrons in every spot touching, all lined up. And the electrons can't move unless the one on the end has somewhere to go. So it doesn't matter where in the wire the break is, if it's before the light bulb or after the light bulb. If it's not a full circle, it's not going to go through and power the light bulb. So that's what I learned today. Bye, guys!